Hello, here's another short video tutorial on how to unsubscribe from forums on the ESP Client Portal. First, log into the portal if you haven't already. If you look in the upper right hand corner, you can see My Account and Log Out. That means I'm logged in. By default, all users of the Client Portal are automatically subscribed to all portal forums. Let's check out the forums real quick. So the forums that you can subscribe to include Forza Q&A, Credit Union Policy, Industry Q&A, ESP Products, Vendors, and Site Feedback. To manage your subscriptions, go to the top right-hand corner again and click on My Account. On my account page, I'm going to click on Subscriptions. You'll see a table of all of your subscribed forums. To unsubscribe from a particular forum, click on the red X next to the forum title. Here I'll unsubscribe from Site Feedback. And that's it. Thanks again for watching.